In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pricing levels in QuickBooks Online, a handy feature that allows you to customize pricing for different customer categories. It's a straightforward process and I'll be guiding you through each step, so let's dive in. First, you'll want to begin by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Go to your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online homepage. There you'll see a sign-in option. Click on it and a new page will open where you can choose QuickBooks Online from the list of Intuit products available. This step is crucial as it ensures you're accessing the correct platform tailored for managing your business finances. Next, you will be prompted to enter your login credentials. Simply type in your username and password and then click Continue. Be sure you've entered the correct information to avoid any login errors. Once logged in, you're ready to start setting up your pricing levels. Now, head over to the settings menu. You can usually find this in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks screen, symbolized by a gear icon. Clicking it will present you with a drop-down menu. From there, select All Lists. This area houses several management tools that QuickBooks provides for customizing business operations. In the All Lists section, locate and click on Price Rules. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that apply different pricing strategies for various customer types or specific sales campaigns. Clicking on Price Rules will take you to a new page dedicated to creating and managing your customized pricing levels. To create a new pricing rule, hit on Create a Rule. You'll be taken to a screen where you can begin customizing your price adjustments. Begin by naming your rule in the Rule Name field. A descriptive name is beneficial, especially if you plan to have multiple rules, as it helps easy identification later on. Then you'll need to specify the customer type you intend this rule for. This could range from wholesale clients to retail customers, or any specific category you use to segment your clients. It's important to have a clear understanding of your customer base, as this will affect how you tailor your pricing strategies. Following this, decide on the price adjustment method. You'll be given options such as percentage discount or markup, which allows flexibility depending on your business needs. Choose the option that best suits your sales strategy objectives. Once you've set all the parameters, click on Apply Rule to ensure the settings you've specified are active. Before wrapping things up, do a quick review to ensure all details are accurate. Finally, secure your settings by clicking on Save and Close. This action seals your new pricing rule within your QuickBooks Online account. And there you have it, a quick and efficient method to set up pricing levels in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can now manage pricing more effectively and cater to various customer needs without hassle. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful.